we had like there was some reason why sometimes when this HTTP triggered Power Automate flow would be called, it would randomly send a 403 response for just no reason. And then the next time you call, it'd be fine. Well, now that packet just got dropped on the floor. The original call is dropped. We don't have any way to recover from that. If we were using a more pro code solution, we would have ways to handle that. You know what I mean? Like that just wouldn't even be a scenario. I mean, that's sort of where I come from, with the experience perspective is, lots of stories, lots of in the trenches, like this is just not the right answer for this level of solution.